This is a video on how to work remotely as an ACD agent and use the UC700 application to take ACD phone calls. Let's begin by clicking the UC700 desktop icon. If your UC700 application does not automatically log you in, I would like to remind you that your username is your Windows login while on campus, and your password is your Windows login, but at the end of it, we've added a capital A number 1, and an exclamation point. With that information entered, ensure that the rest of the information is as seen, and click Login. All basic call features for the UC700 were included in the installation video. For ACD call taking, you'll want to take the drop down where it says At Desk Currently, click it and scroll upward instead of down to Agent Login. Once you do that, you'll want to verify that your pre-populated position is correct. If it's correct, click Login. Once you've logged in, you'll see that this particular ACD agent is in the Info Desk ACD call, and you can expand this window to see all available ACD call takers. You'll notice that when you log in, it'll automatically put you in a work status, which means you will not be taking phone calls. If you want to take phone calls, simply hit the drop down, go to Ready, and the calls will start coming in. If you need to take a break in between calls, remember to hit the drop down again and either select Work or Break. Once you've finished at the end of the day, you'll again click on the drop down and click Log Off ACD. Once you do that, it will return you back to a normal functioning UC700 soft phone. Thank you.